Very good morning, dear smarts. We are in exercise polynomials. This is the last class in polynomial. Tomorrow I will start another topic. So any doubts, post to my WhatsApp number. I will give clarity. Today I am going to explain some more topics. So everyone, what I am explaining, you have to copy down on your book and practice, children. Not only copy, not only practice the given HW, you have to practice what I finished in this class also. You have to practice. Okay, let's start. Find the value of k if kx cube plus 9x square 4x leaves the remainder minus 20. Leaves the remainder minus 20 when divided by x plus 3. When divided by x plus 3. I read again the given sum. Find the value of k if kx cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 8 leaves the remainder minus 20 when divided by x plus 3. అంటే దీని అర్థం ఏంటి? గివెన్ f of x అనుకుంటే f of x ని x plus 3 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే రిమైండర్ minus 20 వస్తుంది. సో అలాంటప్పుడు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ k. సో గివెన్ f of x equal to kx cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 8. Let x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. Now substitute minus 3 instead of x. So f of x equal to means f of minus 3 equal to f of minus 3 equal to substitute instead of x minus 3 k into minus 3 whole cube. If it is the negative value, put bracket and whole power. The power belongs to minus and also the 3 plus 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 minus 8 equal to 0. Sorry, equal to minus 20. Equal to minus 20. Because leaves the remainder minus 20. If f of minus 3 equal to, we get some remainder. What is that remainder here? Minus 20. So simplify. Then after just simplify the sum, the values. Simplify the values. Minus 3 whole power 3. Minus power degree odd number means the value minus, or even number the value changes into plus. So here odd number minus 3 cube means 27 minus 27k minus 3 whole square even number So minus changes to plus. Plus 3 square 9. 9 nines are 81. Plus into minus minus 12. Minus 8 equal to minus 20. Minus 27k. Minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 81 minus 20 equal to minus 20. Minus 27k. 81 minus 20 plus 61 equal to minus 20. Minus 27k equal to plus 61. If it is transposed to RHS, the symbol changes. Minus 20 minus 61. Minus 27k equal to, what is minus 20 and minus 61? Minus 81. Minus 81. Both minus, we cancel minus k equal to 81. Sorry, 27k equal to 81. Implies k equal to 81 by 27. How many times? 3 27s are 81. K equal to 3. K equal to 3 is the answer. Very important problem for 2 marks. Confident children? The polynomials kx cube plus 3x square minus 3 and 2x cube minus 5x plus k leave the same remainder in each case. Leave the same remainder in each case. In each case. When divided by x minus 4. X minus 4. Find the value of k. Find the again I read. The polynomials kx cube plus 3x square minus 3 and 2x cube minus 5x plus k leave the same remainders. Leave the same remainders. If the remainder of the first one is 3, also the remainder of that belongs to second one also. When divided by x minus 4. F of x equal to kx cube plus 3x square minus 3 and g of x equal to 2x cube minus 5x plus k minus 5x plus k. According to the problem, according to the sum, what is leave the same remainder in each case. Leave the same remainder in each case. According to the problem, we can write f of x equal to g of x. F of x equal to g of x. So, what is, let when divided by x minus 4 equal to 0 implies x equal to 4. Substitute x equal to 4 in f of x and g of x. Then f of x equal to f of x equal to f of 4. F of 4 means f of 4 equal to g of 4. F of 4 equal to g of 4. What is f of 4? Substitute k 4 cube plus 3 into 4 square minus 3 equal to g of 2 into 4 cube minus 5 into 4 plus k. Now, what is 4 cube? 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64k plus 4k is 16. 3 16s are 48 minus 3. 4 cube 64 minus 20 plus k. Again 64k, simplify this, plus 45 equal to 2 64s are 128 minus 20 plus k. 64k, listen carefully, watch carefully. 64k plus 45 equal to 108 plus k. So 64k, if k transpose LHS minus k, 45 transpose RHS minus 45. Minus 45. 64k minus k, 63k equal to, subtract 8 minus 5 3, 10 minus 4 6. K equal to 63 by 63, because 63 here multiply k, here divide 1. K equal to 1 is the answer. K equal to 1. Very close observe and confidentially. Okay, children, this most important sum. May know the concept how to solve this type of problems. Know the concept. Concept is most important. If you know how to ride a bike, automatically you can ride any company of bikes. So like that, know the concept here. If Lx power 4 plus mx cube plus 2x square plus 4 is exactly divisible by x square minus x minus 2, then find Lm. Exactly divisible. Exactly divisible means remainder 0. Exactly divisible means remainder 0. Here f of x equal to Lx power 4 plus mx cube plus 2x square plus 4. Let x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. In x square minus x minus 2, there are two zeros. Actually here x power 4 has 4 zeros. Let x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. It's not a magic. If we add 2x minus 2x plus x, we get minus x. Multiply these two, minus 2x into x minus 2x square, we get. So, what is common in these two terms? X is common. If you take x common, x minus 2. Here plus 1, x minus 2. If we take x minus 2 common, x plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2 plus 2. X equal to plus 2 or x equal to minus 1. X equal to plus 2 or x equal to minus 1. Now, if you substitute x equal to 2 in f of x, f of 2 equal to L 2 whole power 4. Substitute instead of x 2 whole power 4 plus m into 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square plus 4 equal to 0. Divisible by x square minus x minus 2 means remainder 0. Remainder 0. So 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 2's 16. 2 power 4 16. 16L plus 2 cube how much? 2 cube 8. 2 cube 8. 8m plus 2 square 4. 2 into 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Do you understand? 16L plus 8m plus 2 4s are 8 plus 4 equal to 0. 16L plus 8m plus 12 equal to 0. In total, what is common? In total, 4 is common. If you take common for 4L plus 2m plus 3 equal to 0. 4 common means divide by 4. 16. 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. Implies 4L plus 2m plus 3 equal to 0. 4L plus 2m equal to minus 3. 4L plus 2m equal to minus 3. This is one set. This is one set. 4L minus 2m equal to minus 3. This is one set. And again, f of minus 1. F of minus 1 equal to f of minus 1. Substitute instead of x here minus 1. So, L minus 1 whole power 4 plus m minus 1 whole cube plus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 4 equal to 0. If the substituting number is with minus, compulsory we put bracket. Whole power. We must write whole power. Minus 1 whole power 3, minus 1 whole power 2, minus 1 whole power 4. It's very important, children. Whole square plus 4 implies minus 1 whole power 4, 4L minus 1 whole cube minus 1 minus m plus 2 plus 4 equal to 0. 4L minus 1 whole power 4 L minus m plus 6 equal to 0. L minus m equal to minus 6. This is what L minus m equal to minus 6. L minus m equal to minus 6. L minus m. This is 1. This is 2. This is 2 say. 4L plus 2m equal to minus 3. L plus 2m equal to minus 3. L minus 2. Now 4L plus 2M equal to minus 3, 1. 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 2 into 2, 2L minus 2M equal to minus 12. Now 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 cancel, 6L equal to minus 15, minus 15, 6L equal to minus 2, 6 are 12, here minus 3, minus 3 plus 6 minus 6, okay, minus 15. L equal to minus 15 by 6. Now minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3. L equal to minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. L equal to minus 5 by 2. L equal to minus 5 by 2. Copy down, children. Substitute L equal to minus 5 by 2 in 2. So L minus M plus L minus M equal to 6 minus 6. L minus M equal to minus 6. Put L equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 minus M equal to minus 6. Minus M equal to minus 6 plus 5 by 2. Take LCM 2. 2 LCM, 2 6 are minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 minus 7 by 2. Minus M equal to minus 7 by 2 implies M equal to 7 by 2. M equal to 7 by 2 and L equal to minus 5 by 2. These are the required values. Okay, children, practice well. We'll meet tomorrow another chapter. Bye bye.